Hello and good morning again, everyone. Welcome to our Steno 3 Machine Shorthand class. So to start with, let me share my screen. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen. Yan. So we are here again for our Steno 3 Machine Shorthand class. And today we're going to have our chapter 5, which discusses about the number usage in machine shorthand. So here in this chapter, you will be able to identify the bar and letter combination that represents the number in our machine shorthand, since we don't have a number key in our keyboard. So at the end of this chapter, you will be able to apply the number in writing time and date, as well as the days of the week and months of the year. So if you notice, class, in our keyboard, in our Steno machine keyboard, we don't have a number key, but we have a number bar. So the long bar across the top of the machine is the number bar. So when writing numbers, you're going to simply press the number bar and the corresponding letter. So if you notice in my example below, here in this picture, so if you notice, class, the corresponding letters, the letters rather has a corresponding number. So for our letter S, we have the 1, T, we have number 2, P, we have number 3, 4, we have here in your H, 5 is in our vowel A, and 0 is in our vowel O. We also have 6 in F, P, we have 7 and 8 in L, and lastly 9 in letter T. So what we need to do to have a number in our Steno machine is that you're going to press the number bar together with the letter representation. So if we have number 1, for example, we're going to press 1. So sabay, simultaneous natin siyang pipindutin. Yung number bar that represent 1 and the letter S. Ganun din dun sa ibang numbers. So we have here, ito yung ating basis para sa ating numbers. So let me share this through view para makita natin yung ating number. Yan. So for example, we're going to have number 1. Yan, number 1, we have number 2, 3, 4, your 5. Sorry, there is an asterisk there. Okay, supposed to be walang asterisk doon. We have 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Yan. So ito yung magiging positions ng ating number. Okay? Next, let us have here the 2-digit numbers. So paano tayo mag-i-input ng 2-digit numbers? So when figures appear in the same sequence as those on the keyboard, a 2-digit number can be written in one stroke, just like 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 2 and 0, 3 and 0. But when figures of a 2-digit number do not appear in the same sequence as those on the keyboard, we need to have a multiple strokes. Okay, for example, number 21, instead of simultaneously pressing 2 and 1, kasi magka-iba yung position. Nauuna, suppose, in terms of position, nauuna yung number 1. So in number 21, we need to press 2 first before 1. So in our screen, ang magpapakita na is that dalawang line na siya. Okay, ganito yung mangyayari. Kung yung, for example, yung number 12 natin, eto siya. Okay, kasi class, nasa isang linya sila. Okay, nasa iisang linya sila. But kung 21 yung number, nauuna kasi yung 1. So hindi pwedeng sabay. So mauna pa rin nating pipindutin yung 2 and then 1 to have number 21. Okay? So ito yung tingnan nyo, class. Hindi nagpakita dito sa ating true view. Pero dito, nagpakita yung ating 21. Okay? So, ganun siya. So, always remember, kung yung sequence natin ay nauuna, ay ipa-follow natin yung sequence ng ating numbers. Depende doon sa arrangement nila, doon sa ating machine. Kasi di ba merong permanent arrangement ang every key. So, kung saan lang sila, doon lang. Okay po. Next, let us have 3-digit numbers. For number with 3 digits, there are often alternatives. For example, 236 may be written 236 na hiwa-hiwalay sa line, or pwedeng 2 and then 36 since sa 36 naman nauuna yung 3 kesa yung 6. Or pwedeng 23 tapos 6, or pwedeng hiwa-hiwalay na 2, 3, and 6. So whichever way na mas mapapadalian kayo. Okay, pwede. For example, ito sa ating ilagay natin sa ating true view yung 200, yung ating 236. So pwede siyang pwedeng yan 23 tapos saka yung ating 6. Ay, sorry, wrong. Let us have 23 first and then yung ating 6. Yan. So, 236. Or pwede rin na 2 and then saka tayo magkakaroon ng 36. Okay? Pwede naman siyang ganyan. Okay? Pwede rin naman siyang sa iisang line lang. Okay? Depende nga kung saan kayo na mas nadadalian. Okay, so pwedeng mauna yung 2 and then magkasama yung 36 or magkasama yung 23 and then hiwala yung 6 or pwede naman na sabay-sabay silang tatlo. Depende kung saan kayo madadalian. And then let's go with time and dates. So here, time giving just the hour is written 2 ways, dalawa. Okay? Depending on how you want it to translate. Kasi kayo naman later on yung magtra-translate. So, depende kung saan kayo mas mamadalian. So, here, to have the time translate as a number, kasi sa oras, meron tayo yung o'clock. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, yung final K natin ang ating gagamitin. Final K is represented by BG. Okay? Don't forget, BG siya. BG. So, ito, lagi nating tandaan, with the numbers 1 through 5, 10, and 12, so here we're going to use the final K or yung ating BG. Okay? So, include an initial K with the numbers 6 to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So, for 11, which is 2 strokes, add the final K or final BG to the second stroke. So, ito yung ating examples. So, if you notice, yung 6 to 9, nauuna yung ating K. Okay? Pero kapag 1 to 5, ang gagamitin natin ay BG. Okay, so let us have ito. So to have the time translate as a number plus the o'clock, so we need to include asterisk K or the asterisk BG. Okay, asterisk BG ang idadagdag natin with the numbers 1 to 5. 1 to 5, 10, and 12. So, include an initial K asterisk. K asterisk ang gagamitin natin with numbers 6 to 9. But for 11 o'clock, you need to add asterisk K to the second stroke. Okay, sa second stroke tayo, yung second one nung 11. Doon ninyo ilalagay yung asterisk K. Or if you opt to use the word clock, which is KLO asterisk K. So you can use it also. But I suggest it is better if you're going to use asterisk BG or the asterisk K kasi mas madali siya. Yan. For time that involves minutes, so first write the hours in digits. Then you can write the key L asterisk N, okay, with no spaces before or after. Then you can write the minutes in digits also. Then if AM or PM follows the hour, use A asterisk M and P asterisk M respectively. So for dates that are written as spoken and or as they should be transcribed, so ito yung gagamitin natin. So kung paano ninyo siya binanggit, ganun din siya isusulat. So I also have here the days of the week and months of the year. So ito siya. Okay. Monday is represented by MOND, M-O-N-D, but for our stroke, we have P-H-O, P-B, and your D. Okay. So ito class, yung ating days of the week and months of the year. Yan. But next, let's go with the plural of numbers. Ito yung adding. Adding an apostrophe S. Okay? Meron siyang apostrophe S. So don't forget the stroke for apostrophe, which is A, O, and E. Okay? So that's all for my discussion in our chapter 5. Ganun lang kadali yung ating number usage. Usually in court proceedings, ang ginagamit natin class are the days of the weeks and the months of the year and also dates. Okay, dates and time. So doon kayo dapat mas maging familiar. Kasi yun yung laging ginagamit sa mga court proceedings. So, class, that's all for our chapter 5. If you have questions, comments, you can always message me via our group chat or send me a private message. Or you can also comment in our Google Classroom. Okay, that's all, class. Good day, God bless, and Merry Christmas to everyone.